Today, we're diving deep into one of the most highly anticipated releases in the drone world, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This upcoming addition to DJI's renowned Mini series has been generating significant buzz among drone enthusiasts, and for good reason. With rumors swirling about its potential specs, improvements, and features, the excitement is at an all-time high. In this video, we'll explore everything we know so far, including expected upgrades, possible design changes, and the all-important release date. DJI has solidified its place as a leader in the drone industry, and the Mini series, in particular, has been a favorite for users looking for a compact yet powerful drone. With the release of the DJI Mini 4 Pro, the company raised the bar in terms of camera quality, flight performance, and intelligent features. Now the question is, how will the DJI Mini 5 Pro improve upon an already excellent predecessor? One of the biggest challenges for DJI is maintaining the Mini series sub-250G weight limit, a crucial factor that allows users in many regions to fly without requiring an FAA license. This means that any significant upgrades, whether it's a better camera, larger battery, or stronger motors, must be carefully balanced to keep the drone within the lightweight category. But how will DJI achieve this? Potential camera upgrades. One of the most exciting rumors about the DJI Mini 5 Pro is an upgraded camera sensor. Reports suggest that DJI might include a 1-inch sensor, a significant leap from the 1/1.3-inch sensor found in the Mini 4 Pro. A larger sensor would mean better low-light performance, sharper details, and improved dynamic range, making it an excellent tool for aerial photography and videography. If DJI opts for a 1-inch sensor, users can expect enhanced image quality, especially in challenging lighting conditions like sunrise and sunset. While resolution may not see a dramatic jump, improved color accuracy, less noise, and more detail retention will make the Mini 5 Pro a top choice for content creators. LiDAR integration, a game-changing feature? Another exciting possibility is the inclusion of LiDAR, light detection and ranging, technology. This would be the first time DJI integrates LiDAR into its Mini series, potentially improving obstacle avoidance and flight precision. LiDAR works by using laser beams to create a detailed 3D map of the environment, allowing for safer navigation, especially in low-light conditions. While LiDAR sounds like a groundbreaking addition, its practicality remains a question. Most drone flights occur during the day when the benefits of LiDAR are less pronounced. However, for those who frequently fly at dusk or in complex environments, LiDAR could be a game-changer. More powerful motors and improved flight performance. Another leak points toward enhanced motors for the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Images suggest that the drone could feature vented motors, which would allow for better cooling and increased thrust. More powerful motors would result in improved flight stability, particularly in windy conditions, a common challenge for lightweight drones. The trade-off, however, could be a slight reduction in battery life. More powerful motors typically require additional energy, which might impact the overall flight time. DJI may compensate for this by using lighter materials for the drone's frame or optimizing its internal components to maintain efficiency. 5G connectivity for smoother transmission. Another rumored upgrade is 5G connectivity, a feature that would drastically improve real-time video transmission and control response. With 5G, users could experience lower latency, enhanced live feeds, and improved reliability, even in areas with high signal interference. This would be particularly beneficial for professionals who rely on high-quality video streams for live monitoring and advanced filmmaking. AI-powered tracking for better subject locking. AI tracking has been a highly requested feature among drone enthusiasts, and DJI seems to be making strides in this area. The Mini 5 Pro could introduce enhanced AI-powered tracking, allowing the drone to lock onto subjects with greater accuracy. This would be a significant advantage for users filming fast-moving scenes, such as action sports, wildlife, or dynamic cinematic shots. If DJI implements these improvements, the Mini 5 Pro could become an indispensable tool for content creators, outdoor adventurers, and professionals who need a compact yet powerful tracking system. Battery life and flight time considerations. Flight time is always a critical factor when evaluating a drone's performance. The DJI Mini 4 Pro currently offers a flight time of around 34 to 40 minutes under ideal conditions. With the Mini 5 Pro's rumored upgrades, more powerful motors, LiDAR, and AI tracking, it's possible that battery life may take a slight hit. However, DJI has a history of optimizing battery efficiency through intelligent power management. If they can maintain or even slightly improve the battery life while incorporating these new features, it would be a significant win for users. Design changes and weight management. The first leaked images of the DJI Mini 5 Pro show a drone that looks similar to its predecessor, but with some noticeable refinements. The airframe appears slightly redesigned, possibly to accommodate new technology while keeping the weight under 250 g. DJI has a fine line to walk, integrating cutting-edge features while ensuring that the drone remains accessible to a broad audience without regulatory restrictions. By using advanced lightweight materials and streamlining components, DJI might manage to add new tech without significantly impacting the drone's weight. If they succeed, the Mini 5 Pro could set a new benchmark for ultralight drones. Expected release date and pricing. When will the DJI Mini 5 Pro officially launch? DJI typically follows an annual release cycle for its Mini series, and based on previous launch patterns, we could see the Mini 5 Pro hit the market as early as November. This timeline aligns with DJI's strategy of unveiling new products just before the holiday season, maximizing sales potential. As for pricing, the DJI Mini 4 Pro launched at around $999 with the RC2 controller. Given the potential upgrades, the Mini 5 Pro could see a slight price increase, potentially reaching the $1,100 to $1,200 range. However, DJI often offers multiple bundles, including Fly More combos with extra batteries and accessories, which could provide better value for users looking for a complete package. Final thoughts: should you upgrade? With all these potential upgrades, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drone releases of the year. If the rumors hold, we're looking at a lightweight drone with a larger sensor, enhanced obstacle detection, more powerful motors, AI tracking, and 5G connectivity, all while remaining under 250 g. For existing Mini 4 Pro users, the decision to upgrade will depend on whether these improvements align with their needs. If you prioritize low-light photography, AI tracking, and better performance in windy conditions, the Mini 5 Pro could be a worthwhile investment. For those new to the Mini series or looking for a top-tier ultralight drone, the Mini 5 Pro could be the perfect balance between portability and professional-grade features. As we await official confirmation from DJI, stay tuned for more updates. Be sure to subscribe to Technology in the Future for the latest drone news, leaks, and in-depth reviews. Let us know in the comments. What feature excites you the most about the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.